Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tokyo Mobile Master. Today, we have something truly special, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has once again pushed the limits of smartphone technology with this beast, and in this video, we'll go through everything you need to know: design, display, performance, camera, battery, and whether it's worth upgrading. So, let's get started. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is crafted with aerospace-grade titanium, making it both lighter and stronger than ever. It comes in 4 sleek colors: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. The phone is slightly bigger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a massive 6.9-inch display, featuring thinner bezels for a more immersive experience. There's also a new capture button on the side for instant access to the camera, making it easier than ever to take photos and record videos. Apple has taken the display to another level. The Super Retina XDR OLED screen now reaches a stunning 2800 nits of peak brightness, which means better outdoor visibility. It still has promotion 120Hz refresh rate, always-on display, and dynamic island, giving you smooth performance and an interactive experience. The bezels are now even thinner, making the screen feel larger without increasing the overall size of the phone too much. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip powers the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it the fastest smartphone on the market. Built on 3nm technology, this processor is 15% faster than the A17 Pro, with a huge boost in GPU performance. Apple has also introduced hardware-accelerated ray tracing, making gaming smoother and more realistic than ever. With up to 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is effortless, and apps load instantly. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing high-end games, or using AI-powered apps, this phone can handle it all. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the camera system. The main sensor is 48 megapixels with an improved f1.7 aperture, allowing for better low-light photography. The ultra-wide camera is also 48 megapixels, capturing more details in every shot. The real game-changer is the 5x optical zoom telephoto lens, an upgrade from last year's 3x zoom, making it a serious competitor against the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Night mode, Smart HDR 6.0, and AI-powered image processing make photos look sharper and more detailed. The front camera is 12 megapixels with autofocus and can shoot 4K cinematic mode videos, giving you DSLR-like quality right from your phone. Battery life is better than ever. Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro Max lasts up to 33 hours of video playback, thanks to the power efficiency of the A18 Pro chip. It supports fast charging, reaching 50% in just 30 minutes with a 30W adapter. MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging also ensure convenient charging options. Compared to last year's model, you can expect longer screen time and better heat management for gaming and heavy usage. With iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max gets AI-powered Siri enhancements, a more customizable home screen, live voicemail, and better privacy features. Apple has also included emergency SOS via satellite, which could be a lifesaver in critical situations. One of the coolest new additions is spatial video recording, designed to be viewed on the Apple Vision Pro. Now, let's talk about price and availability. In the USA, the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for the 256GB model, $1,399 for 512GB, and $1,599 for 1TB. In Pakistan, prices vary depending on the retailer and PTA approval, ranging from 369,999 rupees to Rs. 559,100. If you're planning to buy one, make sure to check for official warranty and PTA approval. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth it? If you have an older iPhone like the iPhone 13 Pro Max or 14 Pro Max, this is a huge upgrade, especially in performance, battery, and camera. If you already have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, the improvements are there, but they might not be big enough to justify the upgrade unless you really want the 5x zoom and AI-powered enhancements. However, if you're a gamer, photographer, or power user, this phone is an absolute must-have. What do you think? Are you planning to buy the iPhone 16 Pro Max, or will you wait for the next model? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tokyo Mobile Master for more tech reviews and smartphone comparisons. See you in the next one.